Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to give the exam of mockup and how what is the process in the exam, what we have to do, and everything we are going to cover today. So be watch this video till the end, and I will explain you everything. And I hope you will get this video in a very easy way. And thank you so much for watching. Let's start. So here I'm going to log in my account and. Right now my account has been logged in and just need to close this. Okay, and here you can see it's showing Windows and PC and Android. Okay, so this is the Android one, and I will go in the PC. Okay, because right now I'm going to be exam with the PC. So the second thing, you can watch the demo video, and as they mention from the university, and here is important guidelines. We can also read this, and here you will get your user ID and password. Just write this in your copy, because if you are going to be write in the, you cannot copy and paste there. So the better you write on your notebook, that you can write in the login portal. Okay, so I will download this software, and here you can see showing just wait, I will continue, and I will not wait, and here is showing download. So I will save in the file, in the download file. Okay, so just save, and it's downloading here, and I can see it's showing here. I have already installed this software, so I already installed this software, so you can see here. So let's open this software, the headache software. I will tell the headache software. Okay, so it's loading here. Okay, so it's showing here blacklisted software detected. So it's showing, and it is already installed in my laptop. So I will close the software here, and after some time, it will take some like second, and after some second it will close automatically. So let's wait. Okay, so fresh, I am opening this software again, and when you are going to open this software, so please look that you are not using the other software, because this software is like a headache, I will tell. So it will detect. So here is loading. It will take time, like it will take your camera is on, your mic is on, it will catch everything. Then the next button will be open. So it's taking loading, and after your verification, after your PC verification, it will showing next, right? And you can write, you can learn about the all important instruction. So I will go in the next. Okay, so I am going next, and you can see the all instruction. Okay, the camera is the machine should be learning and everything they mentioned. So we will go next, and here I told you we cannot copy and paste anything. So just write your write down your exam user ID and password in your notebook, and then you can write here. Okay, so I'm just writing my user and password. So this done, and here is showing they will take your picture, then you can take your picture. Okay, and you need to show your ID, and right now I don't have my ID, so I will capture just this thing, my picture. So capture. Okay, and next. So here is showing you are going to be exam for mockup test business environment 10 January. Everything is mentioned what you are going to do, so I will proceed. Okay, so next, and here you can see the all instruction. It's showing mockup test shall have the less question, means mockup test में कम question दिया गया है. ठीक है, और मतलब this is just for the practical, this is not a main exam. Okay, here is mention everything. You can learn, like I already mentioned everything in the group, and you can also read by yourself. Okay, and we will go in the down the main thing I am going to share with you. So there is the timer ticker on the right panel, which you can show the during left, and like there is timing, it will show. Okay, and during exam a student can the flag the question, like some question you don't know and you want to write the later, so you can flag that it will guide you in for the future, like if you will skip, then it will show. Okay, and here is showing the student can close this software uploading for the scanned documents. Like I will show also this. Okay, no issue. So I'm going to be attempt exam now. Okay, and here is showing time limit because this is 45 minutes. This is the mock-up test, and it will not add in the marks. I will tell everything about the mock-up test. And here you can see the same interface you will see when you will give the exam: section A, section B, section C. If you're going to be exam for 5, and you will click, and it will automatically open. Okay, so here you can see the timing is showing. Okay, 44 minutes. Okay, and if I will you can see still there is no error came. Okay, so I'm just taking like randomly, okay, for your showing the. So here is showing the one error came. Look into the screen. Okay, I so you can see I'm looking outside. Let's see it's a scan or not. And yeah, it's showing if you will like uh, 5 second you will continuously see, then there is a problem. Okay, and if you're looking for a while, like 2 second, 3 second, there is no issue. And you can see I am showing my phone, so it's showing look on the screen. Okay, so I just want to show you everything that you will be not confused for anything. And here you can see the question will be like this. If you know the answer, so you can write here also. And if you want to write in PDF, you can also write in PDF. Like you need to write the question. Okay, you will write the question, and you will open this software, and like MS Word, and you will write in the MS Word, and you can convert in PDF, then you can upload here. Okay, so how to upload this software, so I will show everything. Okay, just be with me. Okay, okay, just listen my voice. Okay, don't see there. Okay, if you need to write any question, then you can write here. Here is the column. Okay, and if you need to upload in the PDF, okay, if you need to upload in the PDF, then you can close this software. Okay, there will be no issue. The timing will be continue. Okay, and the timing will be continue. And if you need to write upload in the PDF, so you can do one thing. You will close this software, like F control, you will alt and F4. If you will alt and F4, the software will be closed automatically. Okay, and then you will go in the MS Word, and you will write the PDF what is the question asking, like. And then you can upload in the LMS, sorry, in this software. So I will close this software. Okay, just wait, I am going to close this software, and I will log in again, because all instruction is written here. Okay, so I'm going to close this software. Control sorry, alt and F4. Okay, this software has been closed. Okay, and like you write your MS Word PDF. Okay, you need to upload right now about this question. So I'm going to again log in my account, and everything will be same. Everything will be same. You can do these things, there will be no issue. Okay, so just wait. Please watch this video very carefully. Okay, and I'm just showing what the university is giving the giving the instruction, and I'm just following. Okay, I'm just following the same thing. If you have any query, you can ask to university. I will be not the responsible. And example, I am showing everything what they mention. I am not going to do other thing. I'm just following to the university. Okay, so I'm just writing my username. Okay, so we are going to continue. I skipped that part because you know all know how to log in your account and everything. So here you can see so here is showing continue your attempt. Okay, the time limit was 45 minutes, and here you can see the time is still remaining 40 minutes, but the time is continuously running when we were start the time. Okay, 10 minutes before I was started, the time was running. Okay, so time is still running. You need to come, you will have time to 2.5 hours. You need to complete 40 questions and 30 like 5 theories. Okay, So here you can see the all MCQs which is showing. This is the demo examiner, so it's only showing five questions. Okay, so it will be not the same. So I if you need to complete like four question, see, this is the flag. If I will put the flag, then it's showing the red. Okay, like you want to do the later this answer, then you can flag the question. Okay, if I will unflag, then it will remove from there. Okay, so this is, you understand about the flag. Okay, I hope you are getting. I'm not seeing the camera, so the error is coming, so you need to look at the camera. Okay, so I'm going to the sixth question, and here you can write whatever you want. So we will know about how to upload the PDF right now. Okay, I will show. So like you have completed. Okay, you close the software and you read the all questions. What you need to make the PDF. Okay, so like you go in MS Word and you convert. You write in the MS Word and you convert in the PDF file. So you need to upload here. So how you can upload here? You will drag. You will put here and upload file. Okay, and choose file, and you can only choose the PDF file as there is mentioned. So I will choose any PDF file and I will upload this file. Okay, so there is no issue. Okay, there is no issue. I just going to upload this file. Okay, so this is uploaded, and here you can see I already uploaded this file. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, yeah, this was the only the easy way. Like I'm going to the finish attempt. Okay, and here is showing answer saved and answer not saved. If the answer will be not saved, it will show here. Okay, so this is also no need to worry about this. You can also go in the return attempt. Okay, you can also go by the return attempt. Here it is showing like the one is blank, right? Four questions. So I will put direct four question, and here you can see the four question is not filled, right? So I will just fill the four question. Okay, just an I'm just giving the random answer. Okay, and here you can see the nine question is showing I uploaded the PDF because I already uploaded in the nine questions. So here is the mark, right? Here is the mark. So I'm going to the finished attempt. Okay, and here you can see the answer saved and answer not saved. You need to understand this when you are going to attend. And here is showing the attempt must be submitted by like this, because this is the demo it's showing, but in the exam it will not show like that. And here is showing like the four question is remaining. You want to finish submit the all and finish. So yeah, I'm going to be finish all, no issue. So here you can see uploading file, please wait 100% upload it, please don't close your software. So here you can see we can also reattempt this queues, because this is example, this is the demo they are giving mockup. So there is no issue, right? So we can also reattempt and we can upload all these things. So this was the all about, and I'm going to close this software, and we will learn about what is the mockup test just in a easy way. Okay, I'm just going to open the from the university which they mention. And here you can see what is the mockup test is the practice exam that help the learner to understand the process of the main exam. Like this is just a demo. We need to understand, we need to how the exam will be perform like. For today, this was the only. I hope you got the all answer and everything. I cleared about the exam, about this bad software, frustration software. Okay, so we need to give the all exam on this software. So I hope you got the all answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, please reach me out. Okay, I will help. Surely I will help. Okay, thank you so much.